If you already have too many avocado trees at home, grown from the pit, you can use the avocado pit in another way. The avocado seed is edible and contains many nutritional properties. It often makes up almost 50% of the fruit, so it would be a pity to go to waste. You can dry the avocado seed, grind it and consume it in cocktails or add it to dishes, but we will go a step further and roast the avocado seed to make coffee, or rather something like a coffee drink, such as grain coffee. Remove the pit from the avocado, wash, cut into pieces, preferably slices, spread on baking paper and dry. If you want to collect more seeds, wash them and leave them in a dry, warm place. The seed should be dried in the oven at 50 degrees Celsius with hot air circulation and the door slightly ajar. To make it completely dry, it should be dried for 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 hours a day. Do not exceed the temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, because it will cook and then burn. We dry it like, for example, mushrooms. Once they are dry, you can roast them. We roast at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, with the door closed. The oven should be monitored at all the time. The method of roasting is similar to roasting coffee beans. To store dried and roasted seeds, I put salt in the bottom of the jar and put a piece of paper in it to prevent moisture from absorbing. I grind the seeds only before consumption, because the powder easily absorbs moisture and can clump. Pour the powder with boiling water. You can drink it, for example, with the addition of milk. Avocado seed has healing properties. It is a source of unsaturated fatty acids. It contains more antioxidants than many vegetables. It improves the immune system and enhances the body's natural defenses. Helps fight infection during colds. It has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It is a rich source of lutein, which helps to improve visual acuity. It contains magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C, thanks to which it reduces the risk of numerous heart diseases. The avocado seed contains a very large amount of folic acid. The fiber contained in it protects the digestive system and improves digestion. It can be used in diarrhea and digestive problems. According to the Research Encyclopedia of Common Natural Ingredients, used in food, drugs, and cosmetics. The ingredients found in avocado seeds contribute to inhibiting the development of cancer cells due to the presence of flavonol. Studies have so far been carried out only on animals.